Hey there, Chris Getting for Hot Hardware here at CES 2018 with the guys from Maingear checking out their new cooling system. So I'm going to turn it over to Ron with Maingear to go through what they've got.
Cool. So this is our new F131. This is our new grounds-up chassis. So it's based on an MATX form factor. So that means you get up to two NVIDIA Titan V graphics cards, up to the Intel Core, the 18-core i9 processor. And with this PC, our goal was to create our interpretation of the perfect PC. So for us, that's the most specs that we could have in a small footprint. And that's why we went with MATX. The real star of the show is what we're calling Apex. So Apex is an integrated cooling solution. And what this is a combination of everything that we've learned about liquid cooling over the last 15 years, integrated into a single product that fits all that technology in such a small space. So integrated into Apex is a very large reservoir. It makes the loop parallel. So what that means is you get independent coolant into the CPU and the GPU separately. It's pressure regulated. It has a flow meter. It has a temp sensor built in, so we can actually regulate the speed of the fans based on the coolant. It has a drain port, and then it has dual pumps. So in order to make sure that we're able to keep the pumps really quiet and give them a lot of longevity, we have two pumps in here. So that gives you redundancy, which is nice in case one fails, but it means that the pumps can operate at a very slow rate. It keeps them quiet, and it makes them last a lot longer. And you can see it's made out of 2 inches of crystal clear acrylic. It's got a built-in LED, and we can actually swap this out so we can put UV. It's currently RGB. The entire lighting in the chassis is RGB as well, from the front logo to the interior lighting. And one of the other nice things is when you build a chassis from scratch, you're able to integrate everything perfectly. So we built Apex in tandem with the F131. It wasn't an afterthought like most chassis. It was designed perfectly for the system. You kind of see that follows all the flows of the case. Even the tubing follows the same angle of the chassis and of the block, and it really creates something that it's hard to describe. When you look at it, you can see how perfectly everything flows together. It's also available with our new Mark finishes. So we have our automotive paint jobs as well as full cover art that we can show on the PC as well. You can send us a logo or a piece of art, and we're able to put it in actual paint that's very durable on the machine. So that's pretty much it. This is our new F131 gaming desktop.
All right, check us out at hothardware.com for more news and coverage from CES 2018 and reviews coming up.